Over recent years, we have seen a strong trend towards lead-free bullets. Therefore, swift action with uncompromising results was called for. And that's precisely what we've delivered. As a result, RWS now supplies two lead-free high-end products, HIT and Evo Green. RWS HIT is a mass-stable deformation bullet with a solid copper body, enabling outstanding penetration and a good exit wound to minimize meat damage. In contrast, the RWS Evo Green is a fragmentation bullet with a pre-fragmented front core made of tin. It has an outstanding shock effect and functions convincingly well even at long distances. To illustrate the advantages of both bullets, each was fired into ballistic soap. The resulting wound cavities were then evaluated and compared. This makes it possible to demonstrate the different bullet performances. Ballistic soap is a medium that resembles an animal's body in terms of texture and structure. The 40 centimeter long block of soap can be broken down according to different classes of game. To illustrate this, the soap block is cut into 4 slices. Each of these slices simulates the location of the vital organs in particular types of game. The first slice ends 7.5 centimeters from the point of impact and shows the effect a bullet produces in small game. Colored water is used, orange for RWS HIT, to measure the volume of the cavity in the first slice. This value is then entered in the comparison table for later evaluation. This procedure is then repeated with the second slice. The cut for the second slice is 15 centimeters from the point of impact and represents medium game, such as young boar of around 50 kilograms. The volume of the wound cavity is again determined and added to the table. The final slice is at 25 centimeters from the point of impact. The resulting third and fourth slices describe the effect of the projectile on large European game of about 100 kilograms and very large game of more than 150 kilograms. The diagram clearly shows the rapid response of the projectile directly after striking the target. The high rate of penetration and the clear exit wound, even in very heavy game, characterizes the RWS HIT. The same test is then repeated with the Evo Green. The total figures calculated are then entered in the chart. The Evo Green shows particularly good results on small to medium-sized game, producing an outstanding shock effect at longer distances. HIT delivers a superior penetration, especially in large game. A close-up clearly shows the highly uniform circular cavity produced by the HIT projectile. And with the Evo Green, you can clearly see that a fragmentation bullet was used. An overview of the 4 slices clearly illustrates how the cavity progressively develops in the different classes of game. With HIT and Evo Green, RWS supplies 2 specialized products to make sure you're ideally equipped for the hunt. Their different advantages can be brought to the fore in specific hunting situations and in accordance with each hunter's preferences. Whether it's RWS HIT or RWS Evo Green, you simply can't go wrong with these 2 unleaded bullets. Give them a try and see for yourself.